Imagine waking up to money in your account. It's not a dream. This is the power of passive income. And now, thanks to AI, it's easier than ever to achieve. AI is your new business partner, ready to work 24/7. Let's unlock your earning potential together. This isn't about getting rich quick. This is about smart work. We'll use AI tools to create a system that generates income while you sleep, travel, or live life on your terms. No tech skills required, just a willingness to learn and a hunger for freedom. Ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind? Let's dive in. We'll use 4 powerful yet easy-to-use tools to build your passive income machine. First, we have ChatGPT, your AI brainstorming partner. ChatGPT will help us generate profitable product ideas. Next, Canva. This design wizard will make your product visually stunning, even if you're not a designer. Then there's Gumroad, your online store without the hassle. Gumroad makes selling digital products simple and secure. Finally, CapCut. This video editing app will help us create engaging content to promote your product automatically. With these tools in hand, you're ready to build your passive income empire. Let's break down the process into manageable steps. First, fire up ChatGPT. Ask it for profitable digital product ideas in your niche. Let's say you're passionate about fitness. Ask ChatGPT, what digital products would help people achieve their fitness goals? Boom! You'll have a list of potential moneymakers. Next, choose an idea and head to Canva. Create an eye-catching ebook, workbook, or checklist. Canva offers templates to simplify the process. Now upload your product to Gumroad. Set your price, sit back, and let Gumroad handle the rest. Finally, use CapCut to create short, engaging videos about your product. Share them on social media, your website, or even run ads. These videos will work tirelessly, attracting customers 24/7. Imagine the possibilities. You can create multiple income streams by repeating this process in different niches. The more products you create, the more your passive income grows. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As AI technology evolves, so will your earning potential. Don't just dream about freedom, create it. Embrace the power of AI. Take action today and build your own passive income machine. The future of work is here. Will you seize it?